Hi. The lap band is a great tool, but it is a bad master. What we mean by that is this. The lap band shouldn't tell you when you're done eating. The lap band shouldn't tell you how much to eat. The lap band shouldn't tell you to slow down. The lap band is designed to be a tool that you are in control of. If you're not in control of the tool, then bad things can happen. If your band is too tight, it can slip. If you eat too much against the tight band, the band can slip. If you persistently get things stuck, you can have the band slip or the band erode. But the band is a great tool because what it does is it suppresses appetite. It doesn't tell you how much to eat. It does tell you that if you eat a small amount, you can still eat more. That's your job to decide how much you're going to eat. So in the relationship with a lap band, do not let the lap band be your master, or don't give it that role. Instead, you be the adult. You have several choices when you have a lap band. Your first choice is how much you're going to eat. And your second choice is what you're going to eat. Make those choices. If the band makes those choices, the result is never good. At best, you will not lose the weight you should. People who want the band to be their master just don't lose the weight they need to lose. At worst, you'll need another operation, either to reposition the band, remove the band, unbuckle the band, or replace the band. So, weight loss surgery is best done, and the best results happen when lifestyle changes accompany it. So be the adult. Choose what you're going to eat wisely, choose how much you're going to eat, and eat slowly, and the band will do its job. Good day.